My people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I say make I come through way salute for everybody wey know say don't subscribe to this my YouTube channel. In case if you never subscribe, subscription na free oh. They not go collect any money from any device where you take dey watch me. So what make me come out today? Now I say make I come tell you now concerning what I first talk 3 days ago concerning this document matter. Now, yesterday, around 8:30 in the evening, now our president come talk say they don't sign, all the ministers don't agree, they don't sign this document where they say they want share to people for Italy. And this law where they talk, say they want call also where they call the decree of relaunch or relaunch decree, where they say that it's supposed to come out about a month plus ago. Now yesterday, now they come say they will don't sign and they don't agree because of say now this document matter now it delay and reach this period. So after all this argument where they can't argue here and there, they can't talk say they don't already agree because of say the 5-star BC talk say they be not agree ever since then they can reach like this because the ruling party now PD and 5-star now they join hands together. Since the 5-star be not stand well before, now make this document never come. As at yesterday, now the 5-star say it don't stand, make they do the document. So now the document now we can say more can appeal for all of us where you not get document, we can still use this opportunity to get the document. So what be this document where they all about? So make a fair knock on for how the thing go take start. Who be the people where go fit apply for this document? Now be the first thing where I need to first break into segment for us so that we will understand whether you will apply or not. The people where you know say that they do what they call they take off old people or they take off baby, and at the end of the day their permit of stay expire based on say they don't get contract where they will renew their document. Those people, they can't get document where don't expire for hand. You can't dey pending. Those people go fit apply for this document. And if they apply for this document, they not give those people 6 months, but give them permit of stay for working permit of stay, which is motivo de lavoro. Those one they different because of say they first get permit of stay before, and since their permit of stay where they get before, as they get work, their work can't finish and their document can't expire. They're not going to see work till renew their document. Based on say the fair work for under this abadanti where they did take care of old people or they take care of baby where they call babysitting, they will fit do this document. If they do this document, they'll give them permit of stay. That one they among. Then the people where see they work for feed, whether they call brachanti, which those laborers we know say that they work for farm, those people go fit apply for this document. And the people where they see no say you see they work for all this domestic work, they'll fit apply for this document. Why the people where affect us since we see they do take off old people, and they'll fit apply for this document. If you know say you first do black work, and the black work where you do, your boss will write the contract for you. The boss never get what they call complaint. They never lay complaint against that boss. Say he write contract for you and the contract now black work. And they can make sure say the government can find fault where they use people anyhow without giving them a regular contract. And the law, according to the criminal law, for 600, Article 600 for Codice Penale and 603 for Codice Penale, come talk say anybody where they use, whether person you carry person put for house, if they tell them make it they do prostitution for you, where Italo they call sfruttamento, if they use and see say na your two, or if person they work for your farm, you know write contract for her, if they give them small money, he go work throughout the whole day, you go give them €3. Those people where you they cheat and they can go lay complaint. Those people, any boss where they under those set of people where lay complaint, if you allow this boss write contract for you, they go reject that permit of stay because of say the boss dey under investigation. Now say me I fit throw this one because not be everybody will get farm work or write contract for you. You go tell say yes, I don't get contract because those people they under the article 603 or article 600 for Codice Penale. They say now that one they want to affect those people. We know say all these boss that they use them till they do irregular work. Now say make una take note. And the document when you want to start, the document go start June 1st to July 15, 2020. I come again. The law where they signed yesterday, the document go start around June 1st to July 15. It's like a month and 2 weeks. Make sure say una start to the move now before everywhere come be like say it come tight now. So June 1st to July 15, 2020. So today now what will be today's date? Now I think now May 14 now be today's date. So you still get 2 weeks to move before this paper start. So make una try una start to the move now. Now say make I give una this info for grant now. Then the money where you will pay if you see somebody want write contract for you. If you see any agricolo or which is agric work, abadanti or people where they do domestic work or babysitting. Now from 400 and above, now be the money where they will collect for the tax where government will collect for the contribution where you will take to say man, you don't fair work or you want to give you work. Now that money they go government purse. And the money where you take process your paper, where you buy all this stamp, where you pay for your permit to stay, the money go there. Another money where you still pay around 160 euro where you take process your paper. So everything, if you add that together plus 160 down, you know even still reach 500 euros. So this one are cheap paper where they bring come and so may they take help us we be foreigners we not get paper. Then make when the Minister of Agric they talk yesterday, tears come out for her eyes. She was very emotional. He said some workers where they found where they invisible before they are now they go come they less invisible. And so the woman talk now see quote and I be Teresa Bellanova. Now that woman they are among the people who catapult this document will go far together with Luciana Lamogese, which is the Eternal Minister. Now they bring her together, come shoot this document. They say me they help us will be immigrant. When they see they use like two ping pong. When they at the end of the day they can't give us peanuts. So instead of whether they give us peanut, but maybe they give us work. They'll make sure say all of the work they'll give us go there regular, so that control go still there. Now make me tell us say if you know say you never they move now, you start to they move. Those people where you know say they fair work agric work before, but now they not they work agric work again because of say their permit of stay don't expire. Those people, if they physically demonstrate say they don't fair work agric work before, they'll give them 6 months temporary permit of stay. Within that 6 months, when you take get that temporary permit of stay, so if you see another work within that 6 months, you feel convert them to working permit of stay. Now say make I come let una know concerning this decree where it come and so make una start to the move now because of say no time to check time. If you don't move, they say worry not they carry last. If you don't move now before it will come over us. So if you know say you did this category like us now, we not get document, make we start to the move before it's too late to. So now I say make I can't use this opportunity fair shook us pin about waiting the talk. Before they unfold the document officially for Gazeta officially, now that one be the place where they drop all the law where they don't talk. But this relaunch decree where they talk yesterday, according to the president, say he go see carry and go Senate, make they see whether they will modify anything or not. But as I waited talk yesterday, so he can't talk say a lot of decree day where you know say e-write because the thing many well about 464 pages. Now be the thing. So the 464 pages. So a lot of people go see say the thing many. So until they don't set them, they don't sign up for the ministers. They don't agree now. So 90% they say they will do this document. So if they can't go Senate now to endorse them, then they'll carry and go Gazeta officially. So now that one will be official. Say the document don't they okay. But as at yesterday, all the party don't agree say they'll do one, except those one where see the opposition side. Since those one are the minority, now make me tell say 90% this document has been done. So if you know say you never get what you take gather yourself, do documents. So like passport now very important. The person will go write contract for you or start to the move now, because all these things will they talk so in need for you to move now. You get 2 weeks to June 1st. Now a month and 2 weeks now this document won't last. If you know so now get here, mona here, na me, na Anthony, mona go subscribe to this YouTube First State Immigrant Solution and then for the NACAM. And bye bye.